guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for being here. Today in the kitchen I'll be showing you how to make chicken tikka masala. To get started, I already marinated my chicken and I'll show you all the process in just a minute. I have here some tomato sauce, heavy whipping cream, cilantro, some grated ginger and garlic. I'll be using some diced onions, and for my spices I have coriander, cumin, garam masala, paprika, some saffron and chili powder. I also have some seasoned salt, all-purpose seasoning, and some brown sugar. So today I'll be using some chicken thighs and tenders, which I went ahead and cut into bite sizes and washed in lemon juice. Here I have some garlic, onions, and ginger. And for the spices, I'll be using some seasoned salt. You can use regular salt if you like. I have some cumin, coriander, garam masala, chili powder, paprika, and some turmeric. I also have some plain yogurt and some lemon juice. So the first thing you want to do is blend your aromatics. We'll blend it into a paste. So to that, I'll add my lemon juice just to get everything going. And I'll go in with my hand blender. If you don't have a hand blender, you can blend with a regular blender into a paste-like consistency. And this is how it should look once you're done. Next, we will add all the ingredients to our chicken. Mix really well. You want to massage it and make sure that all the ingredients are well combined. Then we'll cover and allow it to sit for about 2 to 4 hours. If you can allow it to go overnight, that will be best. The longer, the better. To a preheated pot, I did add some oil, and now we will add that chicken. You want to make sure that you allow it to brown nicely on both sides. So you don't want to crowd your pot. You want to just add a few pieces at a time, and once they're brown on one side, you want to flip them over and allow them to brown on the other side. Then we'll remove it and we'll carry on with that same process until we are all done. If you want, you can place all of them on a baking sheet and place it in the oven on 425 degrees Fahrenheit and allow it to bake. And once they're nice and brown, you can set them aside. You could also do this in the air fryer as well. To my preheated pot, I did add some oil, then follow up with some butter. Then I added my diced onions. Give that a good mix and allow it to go for about 3 to 4 minutes, allowing it to caramelize and brown up nicely. So at this point, you want to add the garlic and ginger. Give them a nice stir and allow them to go for about a minute or two. You want to stir consistently to avoid burning. Next, you want to add your spices. We want those spices to wake up and become nice and fragrant. So you want to add them in and just allow them to go for a few seconds. If you feel like you need a bit more oil, because you know the spices will dry that oil out, you can add a tad bit more oil if you feel like you need it. But once those are nicely fragrant, you want to go in with your tomato sauce. Mix that well. Then we'll add our seasoning to add flavor and taste. We'll also add that sugar to balance everything out. And we'll allow this to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. So here we are almost to the end of the recipe, and at this point you want to add the heavy whipping cream in here. You want to give it a good stir, make sure everything is nicely combined, and the last thing you want to add is the chicken. We'll add that back in here, stir it well, make sure that it's nicely coated with that sauce, and then we'll sit the lid on and allow it to go for about 8 to 10 minutes. You want it to simmer on medium to low heat. And yeah, that's it guys. The recipe is super simple, but it's absolutely delicious. And here you have it guys, my version of chicken tikka masala. I did serve this up with some plain basmati rice and it was absolutely amazing. I hope you all give this recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support and enjoy.